Hello guys, welcome to our channel Food Treasures. Today we're going to prepare fish curry so that you can prepare it easily in your home. So now let's begin with the ingredients for making the curry. So I've got few pieces of fish, finely chopped onion, diced tomato, coriander, squeezed lemon, garlic ginger paste, green chili, red chili powder, cumin coriander powder, turmeric, oil and salt. Now we'll begin by marinating the fish. So to marinate the fish, we're going to add a tablespoon of salt over the fish, and then we're going to add the turmeric powder. Turmeric powder gives a nice color when we deep fry the fishes. Next we're going to add the cumin coriander powder, and then some red chili powder, and then some lemon juice. Now we're going to mix it thoroughly and make sure that all the pieces of fish get the mixture well. We leave it for around an hour. Now we're going to deep fry the fish. In a deep pan, I'm going to heat the oil first. Once the oil is heated, we're going to add the fish. Make sure the flame is not too high because we need to slow cook the fish so that it remains tender and doesn't break. So once the fish is nice golden brown in color, we'll take it out. Here I'm going to place them on top of the paper towel so that the paper absorbs the excess oil. Repeat this process with all your fish and it should look something like this. Okay, now we're going to prepare the fish curry. In a pan, I'm going to heat around 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm going to add the green chilies, and then the onions. We're going to cook the onion until it turns into golden brown in color. It will give a nice taste. Now we're going to add some turmeric powder and mix it well. Adding some salt. Some cumin coriander powder and some red chili powder. I'm adding garlic ginger paste. Now I'm going to add tomatoes and then cook it for a while. I'm going to add half of the coriander and cook it along with the onion and tomato so that it gives a nice taste and fragrance. I'm going to add some water and let the tomato and onion simmer a little bit. Once it looks like it's cooked a bit, we're going to blend it. I'm using a hand blender, but you can obviously cool the mixture down for a while and blend it in a blender. So once I'm done blending it, I'm going to add the fish pieces on it and mix it well. So by blending the mixture, we're creating a good texture, and the sauce will get bind into the fish pieces and it will give the good taste. I'm adding a bit of lemon juice, and then I'm going to add a little bit of water and cover it and cook it for 5 minutes so that the fish absorb the sauce and all the spices get into the fish. After 5 minutes, I'm going to open the lid, and this is how it will look like, and it looks like it's ready. I'm going to turn the heat off and then add some coriander on the top. And there, our fish curry is ready. I'm going to serve it. You can serve the fish curry with the rice, or you can just enjoy the fish curry on its own.
Thanks for watching. If you want more such videos, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.